What's up, Purist? Bob from Purist Motorsports. I've got a car that's near and dear to my heart, something I searched for 12 years to build. It's the Almost, well, I affectionately call her Almost 4. It's the SA10, Saleen SA10 chassis that got away. We'll do a whole feature on it, but today we're going to change some parts out. It took us about 10 years to complete this build, friends. I've got a lot of people that were involved in it, but it took 10 years to complete it, looking for specific parts. So let's get started. I'll show you what we're going to do today. Okay, everyone, when we're putting this car together, I bought a heavy-duty fan clutch, thinking, well, a supercharged car, it would help with all of the cooling aspects that come with that. There's always a challenge there. The clutch won't break in. I've got about 200 miles on the build at this point, and it still sounds like a Freightliner. On the dyno, I'll cue a little video of that right now and show you, but the fan clutch is just roaring. And so we're going to go back to a factory style clutch. Actually, I think it's the factory clutch that came off of this car, and just use it for the time being. And maybe if we find something NOS or something in better shape with less mileage, we can change it out later. But the other thing we're going to do is we're going to put a hotter coil on it. I've got an MSD coil, and I've got a new belt. This is a Continental belt. Continental bought Goodyear, and the Gatorback belt was what I was told to buy, but I don't believe they make that anymore. It's actually the OE technology series now. That's what's this replaced the Gatorback. So we're gonna go with that. The reason we're gonna do that is because the belt is slipping on the dyno. The original one, the kit we bought, the Vortec kit we bought, was from 1996. It was NOS, and the belt in it's really old. So we're going to change that. And the other potential with the belt slipping, we could have had spark blowout. So we get those couple of things changed out. We'll change the coil for a hotter coil, change the belt, and then get this Freightliner sound off of this thing. Gosh, it just will not stop making noise. The fan will not break in. So I think with the smaller water pump pulley, it's just working overtime. So we're gonna do that. So let's get started.
Hiding out in my car with my guitar, feeling far from who we are. I'm not able to see all that we make good company to a certain degree. What's with all these folks today? It's just the way, it's how they act and things they say. Hang your costume, lift your mask, no questions asked, no. But find yourself now, there's a tale. different view before I drew, and now you've lost your sense. That keeps me on the edge of this suspense. What I first saw wasn't what you wore at all.
Ooh, it's hot. Holy smokes. Man, I've only been out here for like an hour and a half and I'm drenched. But it's a good day though. Any day working on a car is better than any day at work, right? You'll notice behind me the yellow chevron's missing. That's because we got an NOS kit from our good buddy Mark Lamaskin at Performance Autosport. Big help from him to get these decals, along with some other people, but the yellow chevron was an NOS piece and we had to remove it because it was peeling and bubbling, so we've got more to put on. And we'll probably do that in another video with a walk around and maybe even a drive of this car, but we're all done. You can see I got the heavy duty clutch off. I'm not sure what we'll do with it. And then the factory coil has been replaced with the MSD unit. And I put the factory coil cover back on the car. So let's crank it up. Let's see if it runs. How about that? Hopefully it does. Oop. Gotta connect the battery. It's worth noting I did some electrical work when I replaced the coil, so I always disconnect the battery. Yep, there it is. So make sure you always do that. Woo. All right, the lovely chime of a Fox body. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. No more roar from the fan. Fuel gauge is actually working a little bit. Still need to work on that. It should be reading probably a little higher than that, but anyways. That's it. Okay guys, that's it. I'm beat hot, but we got the coil changed out, the belt changed out, and the fan clutch. That's what we accomplished today. That's what we're going to do. We've got more to do to this car, which we'll do in future videos, so smash that subscribe button so you can follow along on this car and our Bleakley Ford car. And we may even mix in a few other things. We've got some stuff in the works with people, so subscribe. You definitely want to subscribe. Hit that like button, hit the bell. We want to get notifications of our new uploads, so stay tuned. And as always, if you're out working on them or if you're driving them, always enjoy them. Until next time, peace.